How to make a game pass on Roblox. Now here's how we are going to get this done. First things first, I want you to log into your Roblox here on the official Roblox website. After doing so, go ahead and click where it says create, and then you should be redirected here. Now you have the option for creations, go ahead and click that one. And then you have here your name and the place. Go ahead and click this in order for it to open. And then I want you to go ahead and scroll down to monetization, and you should be able to see passes. Go ahead and click that one. And then you can go ahead and click this in order for you to create a pass. So I'm just going to do this one. And yeah, you can go ahead and click this in order for you to upload any images here in the following format. Now I'm just going to go ahead and name this sample game pass. After doing so, I'm just going to go ahead and add a description here. It's okay if you're going to leave it, but I'm just going to go ahead and put here sample description just like so, and then click create pass. Now after doing so, you should be able to see here your Game Pass. Go ahead and click it once again and then click sales. Now here you can go ahead and set this for sale if you want to. Just go ahead and toggle this on and then put a value here. Say for example, it's 50 Robux. I'm just going to go ahead and click save changes. Now once you're done doing so, you can just go ahead and click this one in order for you to see all of your passes. Now you can go ahead and click this and then copy the URL and then send this to another person in order for them to buy it. And that is how you are going to make a game pass on Roblox.